Hey everyone, Don Master here. I got a fairly small Mac tool today. I went ahead and got another 123 piece bit set. I like them so much. Have one at home, and I got another one for either to keep in the car or at work. And that's this guy right here. It's the SBDR123SA 123 piece Mac grip ratcheting 1/4 inch hex bit screwdriver set. Nice case. Comes with all your freaking bits. Very nice set. Any kind of bit you'd run into, this thing will take care of it, pretty much. It's even got some triple squares in here. It's got your Torx all the way up to T50. It's got a wing nut. You know, I think I've done a review on this before, but this is the second one now that I bought. It comes with a decent T-handle. It's pretty nice. Comes with your quick change chuck. Comes with your very strong 1/4 inch adapter. I've never broken this. Uh-oh. I guess I lost it. I might be able to retrieve it. Oh yeah, I got it. So, these 1/4 inch adapters are really strong. God, what? Okay. These 1/4 inch adapters are very strong. Mac. That's nice. And then it comes with the very nice Mac grip ratcheting screwdriver. Has locking position, reverse and forward. Very nice ratcheting mechanism on it, and it does have a bit containment on the back, so you can open that up, put your favorite bits in there. Very nice quality. That's that set. Second, I really needed this the other day and I had to borrow someone else's. I have some at home, but this is about $100 kit. I believe Lyle makes it for Mac, rebranded. And this is the Master Disconnect set. It's the MD4000, and this thing is very nice and handy to have when you're taking stuff apart on vehicles. It has all your disconnects inside here for disconnecting fuel lines, transmission lines. It's got the kind of standard classic one here. It's got a rail here with all the stubby ones for pushing in there to disconnect your fuel lines or whatever. And then it's got the offset kind of angled ones for getting into a tight spot, I guess. And these are all lifetime warranty. So if I break one, he'll just hand me a new one. Not sure what this one is for. Some sort of disconnect. This is metal. Could come handy. And then another one of these. USA. These are all USA made. So yeah, I'm pretty happy I got this from my Mac dealer today. And it's got all the options in here for getting what you need disconnected. It's like this 2-piece deal. I'm probably going to use these and these the most. The other stuff I don't even know if I'll ever use, but it's good to have it. Better to have and not need than need and not have. So that's that. Jeez, these are freaking hard to snap together. God. Ugh. They'll have to wear in over time. So yeah, it'll say on the back here, it'll tell you. So this is made in the USA with global components. Fuel filter disconnect for GM. Fuel module disconnect tool for GM. Angle disconnect set, scissor disconnect, coupler disconnect with hairpin connectors on Ford CFI lines. AC fuel line disconnect tool. Transmission oil cooler disconnect for Ford. Works on all these other things on here too, so glad I got that. Sorry, it's a small haul today, but you know, I gotta save some of my money. I got a couple knickknacks in here, if I can get them out. Hey, we got a Milwaukee oscillating tool blade. That's not part of the haul, but you saw that. Alright, I got a 19mm Mac USA 3H drive stubby 12-point. Unfortunately, I lost this socket last week, and I really like having complete sets of sockets, so I ordered this. About 20 bucks, give or take. And the Mac sockets will have this kind of knurling on their sockets. The SAE ones will not. So metric knurling, SAE not. Impact and standard on their USA sockets. So yeah. And the part number on that, if you wanted it, that is a X2 19mm. I guess that's all it says. And then he gave me a Expert 10mm. It's been rolling around on the ground, and he's like, hey, you want a 10mm? It's 1/2-inch drive deep. I'm like, sure, I'll take anything for free. So he handed me that. That's what the Expert chromolyes look like, and that's an E11 35 9B 9.8, my bad. And the Expert sockets are great, good quality. So yeah, that's the Expert deep 10mm 1/2-inch drive. And the 123 piece bit set's 201, and the master disconnect set is 105.97. So yeah, that's all I got today, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, and put a comment in there if you want. Let me know what you think. Have a good one.